Hey everyone, Vinayak here. Two of our viewers wrote in with similar problems. They had an old LCD projector that only had a VGA input, but their modern laptops did not have the VGA output port. So how can this be solved? Let's find out in this video. Whenever we move from one technology standard to another, there are bound to be hiccups, which often ends up being solved by, you guessed it, dongles. Now there are many adapters available online, but I was particularly impressed with the HDMI to VGA adapter from ANWIKE. Here's why. The adapter of course has a HDMI male port to a female VGA port, but it has a couple of near additions that makes it way better solution than most generic adapters. First off, they have a micro USB port. Why, you ask? Well, some laptops and low power devices actually cannot supply enough power to the HDMI port. So you can plug in a micro USB cable that will supply additional power to ensure stability. Second, this device also has a 3.5mm audio port. Remember, VGA does not transmit sound, while HDMI of course carries both picture and sound. So you can just connect this cable from the 3.5mm port to any speaker or auxiliary port and you will have stereo sound along with the picture. Pretty thoughtful of them. So that was the ANWIKE HDMI to VGA adapter, our recommended solution. If you have any tech questions, write in to us at tech@talkingstuff.net or send us a WhatsApp message on 96525 78833. Remember to add a +91 if you are outside India. If you like Ask the Geeks, you will love our podcast What's Up Geeks. Look for it in your podcast app or visit talkingstuff.net/WUG. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Also make sure to click on the notification bell to be informed when new videos are added.